friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion and Beauty. Today I'm going to talk about how to look rich and wealthy through dressings. Looking rich and wealthy isn't just about the price tag on your clothes, it's about executing a confidence, style, and class. I'm today discuss some points and tips with you people so that if you want to look wealthy and rich, you have to follow these tips. First of all, invest in a quality basics. Build a wardrobe foundation with a well fitting, high quality pieces, including a tailored trouser, a light black dress, and a classic blazer. Embrace tailoring and choose a rich fabrics is the most important because if you want to look rich and wealthy you have to select clothes that fit you and give you a luxurious look. Tailor your clothes to fit your body perfectly for a polished look. Natural palette, stick to a neutral color palette. Consists of black, white, creams, and earthy tones. These colors exude a sophistication and timelessness. Accessories wisely. You can accessorize yourself with a wisely quality. Invest in the quality accessories such as a classic designer handbags, a timeless watch, a delicate jewelry. These add a subtle elegance to your outfits. Statement pieces are the most important part in which you have to mm, wear a bold pair of heels or a unique coat to add a personality without overwhelming your look. Mind the details in which you have to pay attention to the details in which ensure your shoes are polished, your handbag is well maintained, and your overall appearance is well groomed. Option for the classic high quality footwear is a very good, which gives a versatile and a long lasting look. Layering a texture, experiment with layering, incorporating various texture like a sweater over a silk blouse or a structure blazer gives you a very fine and a gorgeous look. Well groomed appearance, maintain a well groomed hair, manicured nail, and natural looking makeup that enhances your features without appearing excessive. Dressing rich is not just about the clothes, but also it's about how you carry yourself. Be confident, maintain good posture, and exude grace and pose in your demeanor. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for the more and more fashion updates. Thank you and take care. Bye.